Hello everyone. Welcome back to BananaLyfe. Ready for a dose of shocking truth? Today we're spilling the tea, or should I say the water, on a common household item. Your cups. Those everyday vessels could be hiding some surprising dangers. Let's check out a few types you might want to swap out. 1. Melamine cups. Melamine, a synthetic resin, can leach into food and drinks, especially when heated or exposed to acidic substances. Long-term exposure to melamine can lead to kidney damage. These cups are often brightly colored and inexpensive, with a smooth, glossy finish. 2. Paper cups with plastic lining. The plastic lining in these paper cups can leach chemicals into your drink, especially when exposed to hot liquids. Some of these chemicals have been linked to health problems. While they may look like regular paper cups, they often have a more rigid feel and may have a plastic-like coating. 3. Old, worn-out cups. Over time, these cups can develop cracks or chips, which can harbor bacteria and mold. These contaminants can lead to foodborne illness. Look for any signs of damage such as cracks, chips, or stains. 4. Certain types of reusable cups. Some reusable cups, especially those made from low-quality materials, can leach chemicals into your drinks. It's important to choose reusable cups that are made from safe materials, such as stainless steel or glass. Look for cups that are made from high-quality materials and have certifications, such as BPA-free. How to stay safe. Choose glass or stainless steel. These materials are generally considered safe for use in cups and are durable. Avoid using plastic cups, especially when heating or microwaving. Plastic can leach chemicals into your drink. Inspect your cups regularly. Look for any signs of damage and discard any cups that are cracked or chipped. Wash your cups thoroughly. Clean your cups with hot soapy water to remove bacteria and other contaminants. By being aware of these potential dangers and taking precautions, you can help protect yourself and your family from harmful substances. Thanks for joining me on this journey to safer sipping here at BananaLyfe. If you found this informative, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more insights into everyday eco-friendly choices. Share your own cup safety tips in the comments below. Until next time, stay aware and stay healthy.